Okay, let's take a start with Ielts speaking module. This is speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions and you got to answer. Which mobile application do you use often?
I use a lot of mobile apps such as WhatsApp for communication with my friends, family, and to have contact with peoples. And second, I use Google app. matlab, I use Google app for searching different websites, information, and for my knowledge.
All right, you should focus your proper fluency. You're thinking a lot and then you're producing, so you're
First,
struggling with the language.
first,
Okay, don't worry. Which mobile application do you want to use regularly? Now you will talk about one application.
I want to use app about having information about my field, my job. I have
You did not mention application. So which
I
application do you want
I
to use? Don't talk about job and field. Then which application will you talk about? Talk about WhatsApp, talk about Facebook, talk about YouTube. So always select the things you are familiar with. If you're going to talk about something unfamiliar, then how will you answer? Okay, so which mobile app do you use often? I use WhatsApp every day. There are several groups that I have joined, and one of those groups is IELTS group as well, as I'm IELTS candidate. So I love to use WhatsApp. Something like that, okay? Let's go on. Do you want to make a mobile application in the future?
yes, my dream is to make a mobile app because uh, I want to make a mobile app such as my IT mobile app.
Okay, so your answer is
Inform.
not organized.
Mm,
You've got the book, go through all the questions, and gradually you'll be fine. Proper organized answer. Number 1, answer the question directly. Number 2, elaborate. Number 3, conclude. Okay, let's start from you. What is the most popular means of transportation in your hometown or in your city?
The most popular transportation in my hometown, bus, and the second one is Chand Gadi.
We call it motorcycle rickshaw. Motorcycle rickshaw.
Motorcycle rickshaw. Okay.
So these two are the most common
yes,
modes of
of course.
transportation in my country,
Yes.
and people use them comfortably to commute from one place to another.
Another place.
Complete answer, okay?
Okay.
How often do you use public transport or buses?
I prefer private transport.
No, the topic is how often do you use buses? So you can say, I use buses very rarely because I have my own vehicle. So wherever I want to go, I use my own vehicle, something like that. So how often do you use buses? You can say, I don't use
I
buses, whatever you want to say.
I don't use buses because the waste of time. So I prefer private transport, my
Okay.
own transport,
Okay, what is your favorite mode of transportation?
my own car.
Okay, now go on, explain why.
Because mm,
Okay,
uh,
so listen, you need to come up with ideas, both of you, ideas, and then proper way to elaborate on those
yes.
ideas. Okay, that is important. Thank you.